When it comes to selecting the best materials for durable doors in Birmingham, it's essential to consider the city's unique climate. Located in the West Midlands, Birmingham experiences a temperate maritime climate characterized by moderate rainfall, mild winters, and cool summers. These conditions can pose challenges for the longevity and performance of doors. Whether you're replacing an exterior door or building a new home, choosing the right materials is crucial to ensuring the durability, security, and aesthetic appeal of your doors. Timber doors. A classic option. Timber doors are a popular choice for homeowners in Birmingham due to their natural charm and versatility. The warmth and traditional appeal of wood are hard to beat, and it can complement both modern and classic architectural designs. However, while timber can be a durable material, it requires more maintenance than some alternatives, especially in a climate like Birmingham's, where frequent rain and fluctuating temperatures can cause wood to warp or rot. To extend the life of a wooden door, consider choosing hardwoods like oak, mahogany, or teak, which are more resistant to moisture and wear. Additionally, it's crucial to ensure that the timber is properly treated with water-resistant finishes or sealants to protect it from the elements. Regular maintenance, such as resealing the door every few years, will help preserve its beauty and functionality. Composite doors. Low maintenance, high durability. For homeowners who want the aesthetic appeal of timber but without the upkeep, composite doors are an excellent choice. These doors are made from a blend of materials, typically including wood, PVC, and insulating foam. Composite doors are incredibly durable and resistant to the common issues that affect timber, such as rotting, warping, or swelling. The benefits of composite doors in Birmingham's climate are particularly evident during the wetter months. They are highly resistant to moisture, ensuring that they won't deteriorate over time, even with regular exposure to rain. Furthermore, composite doors are low maintenance and offer superior insulation, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. This can be especially important in Birmingham, where the weather can be unpredictable. Steel doors. Ultimate strength and security. For those who prioritize security and strength, steel doors are an excellent choice. These doors are highly resistant to physical damage, making them a great option for homes in busy or higher-risk areas of Birmingham. Steel doors are also incredibly durable, standing up well to extreme weather conditions, including Birmingham's rainy spells. One of the key advantages of steel doors is their ability to withstand the test of time. Steel does not warp, crack, or shrink like wood, and it offers superior protection against the elements. Many steel doors are insulated, offering excellent energy efficiency and keeping homes comfortable throughout the year. However, it's important to ensure the steel door is coated or painted regularly to prevent rusting, particularly in the wet conditions that are common in Birmingham. UPVC doors. Practical and affordable. For a more budget-friendly option, UPVC, unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, doors are a great choice. UPVC doors are incredibly durable, highly resistant to weathering, and provide excellent insulation properties. These doors are particularly well suited for Birmingham's damp climate because they are completely waterproof, unlike timber, which can be prone to swelling in wet conditions. Another major benefit of UPVC doors is their low-maintenance nature. Unlike timber, UPVC does not need to be treated with paint or sealants. Cleaning a UPVC door is simple, and they are also highly resistant to fading, which is a common problem for doors exposed to sunlight and rain. UPVC doors come in a variety of styles and colors, allowing homeowners to find the right look to match their property. Aluminium doors. Sleek, strong, and weatherproof. Aluminium doors are another durable option for homeowners in Birmingham. They offer a sleek, modern aesthetic and are particularly popular for contemporary properties. Aluminium is a robust material that performs well in Birmingham's climate, as it resists corrosion, rust, and damage from exposure to moisture. Additionally, aluminium doors are energy efficient, offering excellent insulation against heat and cold. They are ideal for Birmingham's fluctuating temperatures, helping to keep homes comfortable year-round. The strength of aluminium makes it a secure option, providing peace of mind for homeowners concerned about the safety of their property. Conclusion: choosing the right material for your door is vital to ensuring its durability and performance in Birmingham's unpredictable climate. Whether you opt for traditional timber, low-maintenance composite, ultra-durable steel, practical UPVC, or modern aluminium, each material has its unique benefits. The best option will depend on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Always consider the long-term maintenance, security features, and weather resistance of the material you choose to ensure your door withstands the test of time and the elements.